Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are not just cooking, we are time traveling to the heart of culinary history with a dish as rich in flavor as it is in heritage. Roast beef accompanied by a vibrant warm salad. So sharpen your knives and wits as we embark on this fantastic journey. Roast beef has been a symbol of English cuisine since the times of Henry VII's Guard, famously known as beefeaters for their love of this dish. Since then, it went through many interpretations and became a truly international dish. For our historical feast, we'll need a majestic piece of beef, tenderloin, strip loin, or any rectangular piece of meat. Our supporting cast for beef marinade includes sprigs of thyme, rosemary, stems of dill, parsley, garlic, salt, pepper, and olive oil. For a warm salad aside, use any veggies you like. We have cocktail tomatoes, red sweet capi pepper, zucchini, mushrooms, and onion. First thing first, let's marinate our perfectly room temperature beef. Rub it with love olive oil, chopped garlic, no peel, salt, pepper, and our freshly picked herbs. Pinch of this and that. Take stems of dill and parsley, the part that is usually not eaten but we can use to infuse fantastic aroma. Leave it for about 10 to 20 minutes and start preheating your oven for 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. So while we wait our 10 minutes for meat to marinate, let's chop our veggies. Now, onto the magic. Remove the grass, but not dispose, we'll need it later. Max heat the pan, no oil, no butter. Sear our beef on all sides in a hot pan for just 4 minutes, 1 minute each side, to give it a beautifully rich crust. We encapsulate the meat to prevent the moisture loss. Now, we use extra burn for removing all moisture, but this is absolutely optional. Now searing is done. We put back to our grass. That's it. The meat is hot, so be careful. Insert the thermometer. Now it's 20 degrees Celsius, and for perfectly medium, we need to have something in between 57 to 63 degrees Celsius. So I put 60. Put our veggies aside. Now 150 Celsius, 300 Fahrenheit gives us opportunity to evenly cook the meat without losing moist or burning. It will take at least 40 minutes. Now hear the sound. It signals of readiness. Now put the meat aside to a solid 30 minutes rest. We need to redistribute the juices. Now, part of magic, do not dispose the stock from veggies and meat. You can use it every time you prepare something delicious, but we will use it now. So while our main star of the show is redistributing its juices, let's compose our warm salad. I just put all the veggies chaotically. It doesn't make a difference when it comes to taste. Look at the vibrant colors we have, and the smell is fantastic, just believe me. Ah, the moment of truth. Slice our roast beef into tender, blushing pink pieces, laying them atop our warm, welcoming salad. This, my friends, is where history meets artistry on a plate. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. Let's taste it. Each bite is a journey through time. The robust, earthly flavors of the beef perfectly complemented by the warmth of the salad. It's a dish that tells a story, a saga of flavor that's been centuries in the making. Folks, keep your buds taste curious and your plates adventurous. If you like this recipe, put thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, and see you when I see you.